Pinto bean soup. Let's make some. Hey YouTube. I haven't had a deep pot for a while, but now that I have an Instant Pot, I can make beans again. Which is great, especially in times when you want to make food you'll eat more than once. At the store, the only beans that were left were these pinto beans. I hadn't made them before, but how different could they be from red or black beans? Turns out they're similar and taste great. I've soaked them overnight. The immediate benefit of this is that it takes less time to cook. The other is that for some people it can avoid some digestive issues. I've tried both soaked and not soaked, and I haven't noticed the difference. But if I have time, I'll soak them overnight. If not, I'll just make them, but it just takes longer. First, I'll get rid of the water they've been sitting in and give them a quick rinse. For the soup, I'll chop a quarter of a green pepper, 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped, or you can leave these whole and remove them once the soup is done. Next up is a quarter of a small onion finely chopped. Let's put everything into the pot. I like to add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. This depends on what kind of salt you have. It could be less or more. Some salts are saltier than others. The last thing is a generous 6 cups of water. Close the Instant Pot. According to the Instant Pot cooking times, pinto beans need about 25 to 30 minutes of cooking time if they are dry. But because I soaked them, the cooking time is 6 to 9 minutes. So let's set the Instant Pot to 9 minutes on high pressure. Of course, it's not really 9 minutes because there's a time it requires to preheat. So that plus 9 minutes plus more if you do a natural release, which is when you let the Instant Pot cool down without manually releasing the pressure. Okay, let's see how they look. They smell and look great. One of the ways I enjoy eating them is in soup. So I've warmed up a bit of rice I previously made. This is arborio rice. Let's put some of that in. If you have avocado, it goes great with it. And finally, the pinto beans. To bring it up another notch, you can even add some sour cream. But just a little bit, so you don't lose the flavor of the soup. How do you prepare your beans? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. Cheers.